Hi scholars, it's Miss Lott. I'm just checking in with you to see how everyone's doing. How's math going? How are we feeling about our lessons? Hopefully everyone is in a good, positive place and excited to learn. If you have any questions about the packet or any of the math videos that are being posted, please don't hesitate to reach out. We are here to help you, here to help everyone understand and navigate through this new unfamiliar territory that we're all trying to kind of get through together. Today I am going to talk about lesson 18. I'm going to share a screen today. It's going to look a little different. I'm going to go to the PowerPoint that our kids are used to seeing just so they can kind of get a little bit more from it. So lesson 18 focuses on the objective, I can count across tens by ones to 100 with and without objects. So let's look at our application problem. Susan is putting 9 flowers in 2 vases. Draw a picture to show a way that she might do that. Once we've done that, we are going to then make a number bond and a number sentence to match your idea. So I'm going to give you guys, let's say, we'll do 1 minute. We'll make it 2 minutes. I'll give you 2 minutes to try and draw your flowers and put it into 2 vases before I do, and then I'm going to switch over to our DotCam screen and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So I'm going to set my timer for 2 minutes, give you guys a chance to get it done, and go. So while you guys are doing that, I would love for you guys to send some emails or call and let us know what you're doing, how you guys are doing at home to check in. We've been checking ExactPath, so we're kind of excited to see the progress some of you are making on there. If you have not gotten on ExactPath yet, I would highly suggest it. It is something that we are using to track attendance and as well to be able to support our kids and giving them small group instruction and things like that, so that if they do have questions, we are creating a space for them to be able to meet with us twice a week to get those questions answered. It will be a live Zoom meeting, which will be kind of cool to see their faces and get those questions in real time rather than through email. You guys have about a minute left on drawing your flowers. While you're doing that, I'm going to start working on mine so that when I pull it over to the DotCam, it is ready to go. Got about 30 seconds left. $15. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's stop that. All right. So I'm going to switch you guys over to the DotCam now so that you can see my flowers. Okay, so looking at what I have here, I put 4 flowers here and I put 5 here. We are supposed to start with 9 and separate them into 2 vases. I'm going to number my flowers just so you know that I'm not trying to trick you. 3, 4, and 5. So after you did that, the second part of that was to make a number bond. And lastly, we're going to make a number sentence. So since I have some space by my number sentence, I'm going to utilize this space for my number bond. So I'm going to start with my whole number, and then I'll do the two parts. So my whole number is 9 because that's how many flowers we started with. So I'm going to put my 9 up top. For my part, I have 4 over here, so that's going to be my first part. And I have 5 here, so that is my second part. When I put it over here, I'm going to start with my part and end with my whole. So I have 4, so I'm just pulling that over here and adding it here. Ah, my arrow got a little crazy. And then since we are adding and not subtracting, I'm going to put a what sign? Correct, you guessed it, a plus sign. And I'm taking my second part and I'm gonna put it right here. So the 5 will go here. And then what sign do you think would go here? I already have my plus sign, so what sign would go here? Whisper it to whoever's watching the video with you right now. Yep, I'm pretty sure you guys all said what I'm thinking, an equal sign, of course. And we're gonna move our whole number here. And let's all say our number sentence together. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Again, 4 plus 5 equals 9. Give yourself a pat on the back. Very good job, guys. I'm so glad to see that we're still practicing those awesome math skills. I do want to look at our exit ticket because it is crazy. So, before you left, we did not have a chance to touch on our hundreds as much, but Module 5 does incorporate your hundreds. So what you're doing here is it says you're going to touch and whisper count the circles by ones all the way to 100. You're going to say the last number in each row loudly and color the picture, or I'm sorry, color the circle purple. Do your best. And your parent or whoever's doing this with you is going to give you the time of how long you have. But something I want to point out is this is something similar to our snack chart we had for the 100th day of school. So I don't want you to get all panicked because you see so many circles and you don't know where to start. If you want to start here, which is where we always start, when you get here and you have to say the number out loud, you could even write it if you know how, just so you don't lose your place or forget. Also, you can say them all out loud if that's easiest for you instead of just waiting until you get to the last one. Whatever gets you comfortable and gets you into the swing of being really solid on your hundreds, that is what we want. So whatever you have to do is what you need to do. Also, there's a video on YouTube. You guys are big fans of Jack Hartman. He has a really cool hundreds video and counting to 100 video. That's something I would highly suggest you watching today, just to kind of get you into the swing of it and why we're watching Jack Hartman videos. There's some other really cool math videos you guys like to watch every day. Just go down the Jack Hartman playlist, watch those videos to get those familiar songs back into your head. That'll also keep you ready for all of the math tricks that you need. Once again, if you guys need anything or have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. That is what we are here for. We are excited to help and learn with you guys as we navigate through this remote learning situation. Also for math, please be sure to check exit tickets. Like kind of let that be your little checkpoint with the kiddos. Lets them know that someone is checking their work and they're not just doing it for busy work. It just kind of keeps them excited and ready to do it the next day. I would suggest giving out like stickers or little pieces of cereal or whatever you may need. If you need ideas for rewards or incentives, please reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to brainstorm with you on that if you're struggling with motivation and getting them to want to do it every day. Really excited to continue doing math videos with y'all. If you need anything, please reach out. Have a good day, scholars.